Animations in PowerPoint are helpful to explain concepts. Let's see how you can animate an object. Here we have a feather and we can animate it so that it falls to the ground. PowerPoint has preset animations you can choose from, which will save you time. Click on the feather and then the Animations tab. Under Animations in the ribbon, click on the down arrow. This displays all the preset animations. Here you can choose how an object enters the slide, appears, exits, and the path it takes on the slide. By clicking on the animation you want, it will apply it to the object. However, there are more hidden options. In this case, I want the feather to fall to the ground, so I will select the More Motion Paths option. Before choosing the animation, I can select the preview effect, and this will show me the animation every time I select an effect. Once you are happy with the animation, click OK. If the animation needs to be adjusted, make sure the animation is selected, and then you can adjust the animation box. For example, I can stretch out the animation by dragging the box. Also, at the top of the screen, you can choose the animation start, for example, when the mouse is clicked, and I can change the length of the animation. However, what do you do if you can't find a suitable animation and instead you need to create your own? In this example, I want to make a custom animation path for the rocket. Again, click on the object and then select the Animations tab. Select the More Options arrow and scroll down the menu. Select the Custom Path. Using the mouse, you can add steps to the pathway. Click where you would like the first step in the path to go. Now repeat this for each step in the path, but at the end, double-click to end the path and to preview it. Again, if the animation is too quick, click on the animation box and adjust the duration. Click on the Watch Next video to learn how you can record your animation as a video in PowerPoint.